Hey, this is Chuck from, I'm going to say now, the Deland and St. Johns River Railroad, because that was the local railroad. Here's my Dunkin' Donuts from FloridaRailroadDog.com. I did some new stuff to it. Got some lights inside. It's got the interior of my local Dunkin' Donuts. And then, of course, it's got a bunch of cops with donuts. Notice the cop in the door has a donut in his hands. The cop about to draw his guns carrying a box of donuts, as well as the guy that's writing the ticket for the Dunkin' Donuts truck has got a box of donuts. Then I'm going to turn my sights on my house that I just finished building from FloridaRailroadDog.com. And if you look at this one, I've got some classic cars, and it's got an interior in the garage, which is just basically a picture I printed and stuck on the back. And then I added a few people from Hobby Lobby, which me, my daughters, and my wife inside the house, which has basically a photograph printed in it, so you look like you're looking in my house. Thanks again, George. This is really cool. FloridaRailroadDog.com.